will answer this one. So, isolve natin itong 2 times the quantity of x minus 3. So, the quantity equals 4 times the quantity of 3 plus x. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so, i-distribute natin yan. Si 2 times x, multiply natin sila. Okay, so magiging 2x. Ito ring 2 times negative 3, so that is negative 6. Then equals ito. Distribute din natin yan, so that is 12. Then 4 times x is 4x or positive 4x. Okay? Then, ang gagawin natin, i-combine like terms natin yan. So, kopyahan natin si 2x, then itong positive 4x, transpose natin dito sa left side, magiging negative 4x equals 12. Kopyahan natin yan. Then, si negative 6, transpose natin sa right, so magiging plus 6. Okay? So, simplify, negative 2x minus 4x, so this is negative 2x equals 18. Then, divide natin both sides by the coefficient of x. Ano yung coefficient ni x? Yun din ang divide natin both sides. So, this is negative 2. Negative 2. So, cancel natin yan. So, yung x natin, that is negative 9. 18 divided by negative 2 is negative 9. Kapag mag-divide tayo ng unlike sign, the result is negative. So, i-check natin yan kung tama ba yung sagot ng x. So, 2 times yung value ng x ay negative 9. Minus 3. Okay, equals 4 times 3 plus yung value ng x na negative 9. Okay? So, 2 times, simplify natin yan, so that is negative 12. Okay? Kapag mag-add tayo ng the same sign, we have to copy their common sign, then add. So, equals 4 times ito, 3 plus negative 9, so this is negative 6. Okay? Then, positive 2, multiply natin kay negative 12, so that is negative 24. Equals, ito rin, 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. So, yung solution natin ay correct. So, sa choices, letter D is the correct answer.